let's continue the same topic. Since 1950, rapid urbanization has taken place in Asia, Africa, South America. Why? The cause was the migration was from rural to urban, which you have studied in the previous chapter. A number of push factors like poverty, lack of employment opportunities, low standard of living, and lack of social amenities of employment in the rural areas are responsible for modernization. So these all factors, push factors, we have studied in previous chapter. So again, I am not going to discuss with these all. Next point is the important pull factors that have attracted people from the villages to towns and cities are better employment opportunities, higher standard of living, better healthcare, education and recreation facilities, diverse culture, and more market competition. So this pull factor also we have discussed in the previous chapter. Next point. Urban areas have also grown in size because of natural increase in population caused by high birth rate and comparatively low death rate. Children, as the urban areas were having good facilities of hospitals, so there was big gap between birth rate and death rate. Due to facilities of medical, the birth rate was high and there was low death rate because there is advancement in the medical facilities. Trade and commerce play an important role in the urbanization of an area. They lead to expansion of the cities. So trade and commerce, through this also people get employment, and this can happen only when urbanization takes place. So trade and commerce also lead to the expansion of cities. Better transport and communication facilities also lead to migration of people from rural to urban areas. Transport facilities like roadways, railways or airways. So these facilities can be seen in the urban areas, whereas the rural areas are lack of these facilities. So people, due to these facilities, people migrate from rural areas to urban areas. Some of the urban agglomerations which have experienced remarkable growth in the recent times are. Children, in my last video I have explained what is agglomeration. Agglomeration means cluster, group of urban, means group of cities and towns. It has been grew in the recent time, like big cities like New York, Chicago, Mexico City, Sao Paulo, Cairo, Lagos, Osaka, Tokyo, Shanghai, Beijing, Seoul, Mumbai, Delhi, Jakarta, Manila. So, children, in these all cities, the towns and cities has been clustered, or there more number of or the large area is covered under the development of cities. So children, these all cities and towns you need to point out in your world map. In our next video we will study the impact of urbanization. Thank you.